Okay, so now let's look at the hint if you are going to draw your exponential graph. Okay, the first hint, if you have the exponential graph where in the front of the exponential graph of the exponential function we have symbol plus, okay, so it means that it is above asymptote. Okay, so the right color, so here is right color, means that it represents above asymptote, means that we are going to have horizontal asymptote, so the graph will be above asymptote. Whereas, okay, the power is positive x, means that your head of the graph will be on the right hand side. Okay, and then for the next one, here we have negative e positive x. Okay, when we have negative in the front of e, means that it is below horizontal asymptote. Please remember, if we have exponential graph, means that we are going to have horizontal asymptote. So if the front of the function is negative, so it will be below asymptote, and then the x, the power x is positive, means that your head is on the right. Okay, your head is on the right. Okay, let's look at for the next one where, okay, we have positive e and negative x. Okay, when we are going to have negative x, means that your head is on the left. Okay, your head is on the left, and then the graph will be above your horizontal asymptote. Okay, because of the operation, okay, in the front of e is positive. It means that it is above asymptote. Okay, for the last one, we have negative e, negative x, means that it's below horizontal asymptote, and the head is on the left. Okay, so here are the clues for you to identify or to recognize your exponential graph. Now, let's look at for the logarithm graph. So here is your logarithm or the hint for you to recognize your logarithm graph. For the first one, we have positive, positive. Okay, in front of log, we have positive. It means that the head is above. Okay, the head is above. Okay, and then here, your x is positive. Means that it is right your vertical asymptote. Okay, different from the exponential where we have horizontal asymptote, where here for logarithm we are going to have vertical asymptote. So it means that whenever your x is positive, it means that right vertical asymptote. Okay, whenever your log in front of your log we have positive, it means that your head is above. Okay, and then the next one we have negative log. Negative log, it means that your head is below. Okay, and then your graph will be on the right vertical asymptote. Okay, so now let's look at for the next one where we have positive logarithm and negative. Your function here is negative. Okay, x is negative. In front of x we have negative. Whenever we have your x in front of x is negative, or we are going to have the operation is minus, so it means that the graph will be on the left asymptote. Okay, so these are going to represent where your graph, where the right vertical asymptote, or your graph is on the left vertical asymptote. So negative x means that left vertical asymptote. Okay, and then your head is above. Why your head is above? Because of positive. Okay, because of here we have positive logarithm. And the last one we have negative log, negative x, means that your graph will be on the left asymptote, and then your head will be below. Okay, your head will be below because of negative log, means that head below. Okay, so students, what you can do is you can compare, okay, with this logarithm and then with this exponential, where here we are talking about above asymptote, head right. Okay, if you can see here, we are talking about above asymptote and the head is right. Okay, and then here we have on the right asymptote and head is above. Okay, from here you can see that, okay, it means that when we are going to talk about exponential and logarithm, okay, it means that they will exchange their characteristic. See, they will exchange their characteristic. Okay, here above asymptote, head right. Okay, and here we have right asymptote and head above. Same with the second one. Below asymptote and the head right. Okay, for exponential and for logarithm, it will exchange. And we will have on the right asymptote and head is below. Okay, as you can see, okay, for exponential and logarithm, the characteristic will be exchanged. Okay, so these are the hint for you. If you want to know how the graph looks like, or you can do according to the step as I teach you before.